After translating a video, the original subtitles can still get in the way, overlapping with your new subtitles and making the screen harder to read. With Vozo's Translate and Dub, you can remove original subtitles while creating dubbed versions in multiple languages. Under Add or Replace Subtitles in Video, choose Remove Original and Add New. Vozo will remove the original subtitles and replace them with translated subtitles. The video looks cleaner, the translated subtitles are easier to read, and the dubbed version feels more polished. If you only need subtitle translation, you can turn on Remove Original Subtitles in Translate Subtitles as well. Once enabled, Vozo removes the original subtitles and generates accurate translated subtitles, segmented by meaning for a more natural viewing experience. One thing to note, this works best for fixed position subtitles that match the spoken audio. For stylized text, titles, labels, or slides, use Visual Translate instead. From removing original subtitles to creating new subtitles, multilingual dubbing, and translating on-screen text, Vozo makes video localization easier.